Hello little friends! Welcome to Tiny Ears Big Stories TV. Today we are reading a wonderful story called How to Bath Your Little Dinosaur by Jane Clarke and Georgie Birkett. Let's begin. Dirty little dinosaur doesn't want to wash. Fill up the bathtub. Splish, splash, splosh. Pour in the bath foam. Drop, drip, drop. Make a warm water hole with bubbles on the top. Put in the rubber ducky. Put in the squirty fish. Put in the little dinosaur. Splosh, splash, splish. Blow bubbles on his tiny toes. Blow bubbles on his tummy. He'll giggle as they pop, pop, pop. They tickle and feel funny. Happy little dinosaur, having so much fun. How will we get him out again now that bath time's done? Pull out the bath plug. Glug, glug, glug. Clean little dinosaur. Give him a big hug. The end. I hope you enjoyed listening to the story. Don't forget to subscribe to Tiny Ears Big Stories TV for more fun stories like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.